Hello everyone, good morning. So last time we had discussion about Java 8 feature only giving theory. Now we are going to in-depth knowledge in Java 8 feature on practical oriented. So now first last time we had discussion overall and some kind of exception occur, but today we are discussing in-depth knowledge in Java 8 features. So first it's a lambda expression. So lambda expression I'm opening thing tool suit. Okay, Spring it Spring tool suit. I'm opening this and okay, see this is the array John, Jenny, Mike, Alice, right? This is a list, right? A name dot for each. This is the lambda expression. Lambda expression is used for the reduce the boilerplate code, and we are creating this example and I'm executing by name. See name here I am mentioned name is lambda and I am executing this program, right? See John, Jane, Mike alive. John, Jane, Mike alive. So in lambda expression, lot of thing is developed because here string integer we can use integer also, we can use long also. So lambda expression this type of the lambda, right? This is the lambda. Okay. So lot of thing is developed. We can use the lambda and reduce the boilerplate code, right? This is the arrow function. This is the arrow function. We can use the for each map. Okay. For each its argument consumer. Okay. So perform the given action and iterating unit all element has been processed. So action through an exception. Okay. This type of the example of the lambda expression. So lambda expression is a very powerful feature in Java 8 we are using. Okay. So second example is math operation. So here okay, this is the lambda expression method operation. Okay. This is the method operation is the function interface, right? Math operation int operate int a int b, right? This is the abstract method and I'm calling math operation additional. And this is the lambda expression, right? So now I'm talking about function interface. Functional interface is see I'm creating one interface and interface have one method. So I want to sum of the two elements. So here additionally operate. Where is the operate method? See is the operate method, right? And I'm calling calling this one, right? Calling this, executing Java 8, right? 5 plus 3, 8. So this type of the question, see, interpret interface, interpret addition, and I can directly call to the addition of the two element, and in the additional dot operate I can call that method and I can put the output. So this is the example of function interface. Okay. Third one is the Steam API. Do you know Steam API? How to use Steam API? Steam API is mainly there are Steam API. Steam API, how to use? What is the purpose of Steam API? Is iterating intermediate operation, terminal operation. Intermediate operation is filtering, mapping, distinct, sorting. These are the intermediate operation. And terminal operation, reduce, then collect. These are the intermediate operation, right? So I want to this I have one list 1 2 3 4 5. I want to sum. I'm on to sum, right? So I filtering first. I am filtering those elements, so it will be even number n mod 2 is equal to 0. This is the even number finding, and we map to one integer, and I want to integer those number which are the even number. Okay, so here I am executing which one, 2 and 4, right? So I mention here 6. So 6 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 8, right? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, right? So this is also answer is 12, right? So I am filtering an even number and mapping one integer, mapping to integer and sum of the even number, right? This is the example of the Steam API. Third one, method reference. So method reference also very important part of method reference. See, I have one list, right? So I want to see this is a symbol of the method reference. Double period. It's a period, right? So name dot for each system dot out dot double dot println. This is the example of the for each loop. Method reference. This is a method reference, right? So I am executing this one and println John, Jane, Mike, Rice, right? This type of the example interviewer asks, please show me the example and all thing. So now we are giving the optional. So what is the optional? How to use it? Okay. See, optional of nullable is null value. String.name may be null or else unknown, right? So optional is coming from the optional.utils, right? So here I am executing this one optional. Optional, see, optional is giving, and it will be optional is ignore the null pointer exception. Option of nullable is null value. String name may be null dot or else unknown. Okay, means it's ignore the null pointer exception. The main purpose of the optional. Optional is very important. Optional have if present get method inside, so we can use for the ignorance of the null is the main point of the, and this one date time API. Date time API is very important because I am putting here local right, time local time dot uh, now, right, local time dot not now. Okay, and yeah, put here, otherwise I'm putting inside one. Okay, local time dot now, time is 9, right, this is the time 9:16:21, right. So this is the local time, local date. Okay, local date we are executing this one. So date time operation is also easily we can perform it. And as an example, local date time dot now, date time format as per your discussion of pattern, and we can, as per your pattern, you can use this time, right. See, date, time, all entire thing. Why this pattern, mm, dd, hour, minute, second. Okay, this type of place. So this is the date time feature. Okay, so we are moving next level. So thank you watching this video. Okay, thank you.